Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So today in this video, I will teach you one of the topic in Form 1, Basic Polygons. So what is a basic polygons? It is an enclosed figure on a plane bounded by at least 3 or more straight sides. So here if we say a polygon which have at least 3 sides, I will use the example for triangle. So let's get started with know what is inside the triangle. So this one we call as side, and this one we call as vertex. For plural we call as vertices. For triangle, there are 3 sides, and as well there are also 3 vertices. So we can say that the number of vertices equal to the number of sides. Okay, next, what is diagonal? Is there any diagonal in triangle? Okay, now let's get started. Okay, right now I will use rectangle. Okay, diagonal is a straight line, or we call as line segment that joins from one vertex to opposite vertex. So here we see, so this one we call as diagonal. So means that triangle has 0 diagonal. How about the rectangle? How many diagonal we have in rectangle? So now, how to determine the number of diagonal? Again, I will use the example for rectangle. Okay, now I label this rectangle as A, B, C, and D. So, let we calculate how many diagonal we have in a rectangle. As what I said before, diagonal is a straight line or line segment that joins from one vertex to opposite vertex. So here, as you can see, line AC, one diagonal, and line BD also another diagonal. So here we can say that line AC and line BD are 2 diagonals for rectangle. What if we have another polygon? How to calculate the number of diagonal? So actually there are a formula to use, which is n multiplied by in bracket n minus 3 divide with 2. So you can also check this diagonal for rectangle by using this formula. Okay, now we see an example. Find the number of vertices and diagonals of a polygon that have 7 sides. So here, you substitute n with 7. So we know that when there are 7 sides, the number of vertices also equal to 7. So to know the number of diagonal, use this formula, 7 in bracket 7 minus 3 divide with 2. So there are 14 diagonals in a polygon that have 7 sides. Okay, next. Polygons are divided into 2 types, which is regular polygon and irregular polygon. But in this video, I don't want to discuss more about regular and irregular polygon. The only thing that you should know here, when we talk about regular polygon, all of the sides have same length. Whereas irregular polygon, not all of the sides have the same length. Okay, now we see the name of polygon. The first one, triangle, which have 3 sides. Second, we call as quadrilateral, which have 4 sides. Third, pentagon, which have 5 sides. Fourth, hexagon, which have 6 sides. Next, heptagon, which have 7 sides, followed by octagon, which have 8 sides, and then nonagon, which have 9 sides, and lastly decagon, which have 10 sides. So this is all of the basic polygons that you should remember the name and the number of sides they have. Okay, next, I want you to try out this exercise. Find the number of vertices, sides, and diagonals of every polygons below. You may refer to the previous slide that I gave to you. So now I want you to pause this video and jot down this table and fill in the blank. Okay, have you finished? Now let's check out the answer given. So did you manage to get all answers correct? Okay, so that's all for this video. So see you again in the next video. Thank you.